Alright, a quick word on how you get the seats out of a 96 Avalon, 97 Avalon, my bad. Probably works for the 96s as well. XLS. First thing you want to do, you want to get a 14 millimeter. You want to go ahead and you want to take this bolt out with a 14 millimeter. So you want to take that out. Next thing you want to do, you want to come down here and you want to pop this trim off. Now to get this trim off, you got to get your hand back here. You kind of got to push it and push it out at the same time. You got to like separate it because there are these clips on here. So these are the clips you're going for. You have to push these clips away from each other like this, but push out at the same time. And then you want to pull the seat all the way forward. Then you want to come to the back seat, and there's two more pieces of trim you want to get. All right, this piece of trim right here. Oh yeah, it goes like that. This piece of trim didn't give me too many problems. I just reached my hand in here, pushed it out like that, like this, and brought it to me. That came off, and then this one, kind of the same deal. You see? I believe that's how it goes. Maybe I got that upside down. I think I got that upside down actually. I think that goes like this. Something like that. I forgot how it went. But yeah. Alright, this is how this one went. Once again, you want to reach in here. You want to kind of pry these clips off. And then how it came off for me was, I think I went this way. No, I think I went this way, and I kind of just pushed it off. As you see, these are where the clips are, right here. You got to always pry those clips away from each other. So you would get in here, you would push the clips out like this. You would just kind of jiggle it out. Now you have access to the last 14 millimeter, and the seats will come out. Also, you want to disconnect the battery for 5 minutes. Right here. You want to disconnect the battery for 5 minutes, and then you want to take this clip out. I'm not going to do it because my battery is still hooked up right now, obviously, because I just demonstrated the seats. So you want to do that next, and then you'll be able to pull the seats out once you take that 14 out.